Hi, Chris here from MoneyCoach, and today we're gonna learn how we can scan documents to attach invoices, receipts or photos to our transactions. So, let's start by adding a transaction for groceries that we just bought. Now, tap the arrow key to go to the Advanced tab. Then, we tap on the attachment and select Scan Document. The scanner is really smart, as it automatically finds the receipts you're about to scan. So just do that, tap save, and then save again, and you just added a receipt to your transaction. You can view that in the Transactions tab by tapping the transaction to view its details. You can share it, you can do whatever you want here. Let's try it again with another transaction. For example, for a couple of cigarettes that we just bought, we do the same, select the category, then go to the Advanced tab, tap the attachment, scan document, and we can scan the receipt. If you're not happy with the bounding box, you can modify it yourself. Then just tap Keep Scan and MoneyCoach will keep that photo. Tap save again, and that's it. You just added a receipt to your transaction. Now in the future we are going to make it even easier to sort, find, edit, modify all of the photo receipts that you've added to MoneyCoach. That's it. Thanks for watching this guide. Leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel for more guides and insights on how to use MoneyCoach. Thanks.